from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. We are on a property in Melbourne doing this plastic roof. Have a look at this. It's pretty intense. Looks terrible, and as you can see, this is their kind of outdoor area, and it has really gone quite far, the lichen. So we want to get this cleaned up, which is what we're going to do. The only challenge that we have with this roof, of course, is that we don't have any roof or main roof from the house to stand on to wash it, so we have to do everything off the ladder, and then it's a real difficulty to rinse it because of it being backed up straight against the main house. But anyway, look, we'll deal with that. That's something that we'll have to work with, but fundamentally we'll get a good result for these customers, and look forward to getting that done for them. Yeah, so alright, well, we'll show you the results at the end. Here we are, folks. Look at this. This is the finished results. Absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, it took us quite a bit longer than we expected, but that's normal for this kind of work given the access is tricky, but the results speak for themselves. Just so you know, with Pergola roofs, we only generally quote the underside, the top side of the roof. Okay, so we can definitely wash the underside for you, but this is something that we can just charge a little bit more if you want that done as well. But absolutely magic results, and the customers can really enjoy the space, and they won't have to do this for many, many years. Like, I'm talking 5 to 8 years, and that's if you stay on top of it. Alright, so hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching, and if you need a quote, do get in touch with us. We'll be happy to help you.